Hi everyone, and a special hello to you that's watching this video. If you do like my videos, please give it a thumbs up. It will help me so much. And then if you want to see more and follow me from the beginning and see more about this, please push that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and then every week you will see a video, and there is still so much more that will come after this. So actually wanted to tell you some very good news today. Oma and Opa was right. We had a reveal party and our little grandson is on its way. It's a boy. So we are so happy about that. But you know what? That's not even the end of it. That's just the beginning, because just about 3 days after we had a reveal party, my daughter came to me and said, "You know what, Mommy? I am pregnant." So my daughter is pregnant as well. So we're going to have 2 grandchildren in 2021. So it's actually a wonderful year in spite of this virus that's going on. Thank you, Lord. You blessed us. We have so many things to be thankful. So yeah, we're going to have 2. And Omar's right again. It's going to be a girl. So in October, we're going to have a grandson. And in December, we're going to have a little granddaughter. I someone just know it. So yeah, I'm so blessed and so happy. But yeah, going on with my video now. But I actually want to show you something quickly as well. Okay, I've all the stuff that was lying here is out of the way now. Most of the stuff is in the room. Some of the other stuff I put it in the. Well, I said I'm not going to use my spare rooms, my guest rooms, but the cupboards were empty, so I didn't have so much space here, and I want to keep this place as neat as possible because of the reveal party as well. I want my rooms to be neat. So yeah, I put some of the stuff, I put it in the cupboards in other rooms. So yeah, so everything is still, like I said, my paint spray booth is still here, it's now on the table. I put this newspaper here so I don't accidentally spray the table like I accidentally did spray my sewing cabinet. I did that, yeah. So yeah, and yeah, today all my 4 feet children is here with me, even little old lady, Mischief, she's lying here. There's little Kush and Chloe and Zanil, everyone is here except for Pooch. She's somewhere outside, my little feral cat. But yeah, they all decided to visit me today because this room is it's nice and warm. It's in the beginning of the winter now for us here. So yeah, although it's a nice and sunny day outside today, they just visiting a bit mummy in the room. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, I keep everything neatly. So I didn't do anything yet. I didn't screw the house together again still, because actually I want to take the top off so I can get access again, so I can do all the finishing touches, start from the bottom again. And I just wanted to keep it neatly, so because the grandchildren want to show the people the doll home actually. But I told them, okay, it's fine, but just look, no touching already, and I'm not finished yet. So I don't know if I will let them ever really play with this dollhouse, because like in my previous, you will see why. I just put so much work in this that maybe just it will be a showcase or something like that. So yeah, I'm going to get on. I want to start now here at the side here. I just go on the side if you want to start at the bottom or the top, at the lapa or patio area, or the daughter's room. I actually want to start by the daughter's room because everyone got rooms except she, so I want her also to have her own room. But yeah, you don't build the house from the top to the bottom, you build the house from the bottom to the top. Although the house is already built now, that's actually the interior decorating. So maybe I can start, but yeah, with my OCD, I must start from the bottom to the top, I think, yeah. But anyhow, that's me. So yeah, what I actually want to show you is why I said I would need my sewing cabinet. I bought this at our local Chinese shop. We call it Buffs. They use it for masks, as it's just like a scarf you put around your neck, and you can use it as masks. But it's so cheap. I think it's like $10 for one, and it's different colors, different patterns. So it's actually perfect, and it's not a big piece of material, just enough to make some clothes for Barbie. So like I said, I use this for masks, for around your neck like a scarf, and you put it on. But I actually want you to show you something about this buffs. They say if you can blow a fire out through your mask actually is worthless. It doesn't mean anything. Hi, this is me. As a mask, it's no use. For a cloth to wash your bike or your car, it's perfect, yeah. For Barbie clothes, it's perfect for Barbie clothes. This is actually another camouflage. Maybe this wasn't the right choice for the demonstration because it was over my whole head and it's camouflage. Okay, so that's just my mind thinking. I don't think this was. I maybe should have actually used a more colorful one or something to show you this demonstration. But the camouflage, I didn't think that look. I will see it afterwards on the video, but I don't think it was quite the right choice of pattern. But why I chose this one is because it's thicker. It's thicker than the others. So yeah, it's the thickest one, and I blew the fire out through it. So it's no use as a mask. So please don't wear this as masks. It won't really help you against this terrible virus we've got. But yeah, this is actually perfect for like a jacket or hoodie or something for that maybe. But yeah, so this is actually one I wanted to show you. And that's all I want to say today in this quick video of mine. And the thing I want to tell you today is from my heart is count your blessings every day. Bye.